students, how are you? I'm here in Paris. And bonjour, you have to continue with your activities, so open your book, please. Hi dear students, this is the vocabulary of today, so practice and repeat after me, please. Bone. A bone is a dog's foot. This is a bone. Grandpa. A grandpa is a grandfather. It's the same. So he is my grandpa or my grandfather. Him is a personal pronoun. She is talking with him. Let's continue with your book and part 3, what makes a good classmate. But before it, you have to check the following instructions about possessive. Possessive is the form that you can write a sentence but in other form. For example, the book of the girl, el libro de la niña. So if you write the girl's book, it's the same meaning, el libro de la niña. Okay, in this case, you are going to write the girl at first and the book at the end. The girl's book, and you have to write an apostrophe with S. Apostrophe S. The book of the girl, el libro de la chica o de la niña, is the same of the girl's book. But you have write my brother at first, at the end, the cat. My brother, apostrophe S, and at the end, cat. Page 52, in this page, you have an explanation about possession that it's the same I just said. Read the activity number 1, read the sentence and underline the word that express possessions and circle the picture that correspond. For example, number 1, the baby's mother reads stories to him. So underline the words that represent or express possession, and then circle the picture that correspond. Number 2, the boy's father is happy. Anne's dog is very friendly. The children's grandpa is visiting today. So underline the word that has apostrophe and S, and circle the picture that correspond to each sentence. Page 53. In this page, you have to match the object to its owner. For example, the girl you have to match with one word. For example, the girl, bone, ball, book of flowers. Perfect, book, because she is reading a book. Number 2, mother, you have to match mother with bone, ball, book, or flowers. Boy, bone, ball, book of flowers, the same for a dog. Okay, continue and match the word with the picture. Finally, activity number 3, write the possessive according to the pictures you matched. For example, the book, and obviously is the girl, so the girl book. But remember, you have to add apostrophe with S. Dear students, it's all for today. Have a good day and see you tomorrow.